Hello YouTube, this is Marshall Curtis, and soon I will be running, not now, Battle of the Sharks vacuum competition. It will be my 4th vacuum competition between these 4 vacuums. This Shark NV60, the Shark NV22L, and this Shark NV or UV410, and I was going to enter this Shark NV105, the Shark, see, it's called the Shark Navigator Light. But now I'm about to show you why this one is going to be scrapped instead. I was just now, or yesterday, taking it apart, preparing to clean up the brush roll area, when I noticed this. I'm not sure what that part's called, but you can see it's burnt there. And believe it or not, the thing was running and driving. That is, the motor ran and the brush roll would spin. The only thing that I knew that was wrong with it before, it was that it was missing this post motor filter and the post motor filter cover, and that it's missing both the felt and the foam pre-motor filters. This silver filter in here it has. But the problem is it needs an upper cord wrap. But as you can see, managed to do a workaround with that. That was not its fatal error, but it's inconvenient. And needs the filters, as I said, and it's missing all the attachments, the combination brush, crevice combo device, and the pet tool. And as I just now said, it needs a new circuit board there. So this thing is done. So I'm just going to scavenge some parts, scavenge the belt. Seems like a good brush roll. And I'm going to keep it with these end pieces. Only this NV105 has these peculiar end pieces for the brush roll. But anyway, these bearings alone are worth the price of admission. I had to get bearings like this on another one of these Sharks, namely that one, a while back. And they're in good shape. Of course, this brush roll still needs cleaning. But it appears to be in good shape once it's all cleaned up. And maybe I'll put this on that one if it'll fit on there. Anyway, so I'll scavenge these parts and maybe scavenge this motor. This motor runs. And by the way, when you take one of these apart, and it has 8 of these kind of screws. The Torx screws with the little pointy thing in the middle. It has 8 of the shorter ones. Get over there. I will not have any slacking off in my army. Anyway, 8 of these shorter ones, 1 long one. And these are the 2 wheels, and it takes the T15 Torx. And you may notice, this is for somebody who wants to tear apart a Shark. Shark makes their vacuums very hard to DIY fix. They do that on purpose just so that you have to get a new one or take it to the shop. I agree with that other vacuum poster repairman who makes note of that. But at least it's not impossible. Anyway, if anybody happens to live in the Seattle area and wants one of these for a parts machine, or you're prepared to replace that, I think this is the device that the capacitor or whatever they call it, that allows the machine to start up full speed all at once. And as you can see from upside down, I think this machine was new in 2015, perhaps January of 2015. And Inspector QC4 passed it back then, but wouldn't pass today. But what's ironic was that this machine was working despite that, but I am not going to run it in a test, in a battle of the vacuums with these guys, and risk burning down my 3-story building. Okay, YouTube. Well, thank you for watching, and give me your opinion of the whole situation. Peace out.